We are also carrying out works to construct a new bridge at Samalaeulu in Savali, as well as a new access road. These works are funded by the World Bank as well as the Government of Australia. The majority of the works have been completed, with the new bridge already finished completion, as well as the road and on top of the bridge have been sealed. There's just some minor works remaining, which include line marking of the road. Therefore, it is expected that we will open up this new bridge and new road in Savai'i for use by the public within 1 or 2 weeks' time.